Well, it's May 1st, and earlier, at about 5 o'clock, it looked like it was getting dark. We might get some rain. And then all of a sudden, we started getting hail. And I went out and did a little recording of just how much we were getting in the front. And it was, then you could see car alarms going off. And I don't know, we usually don't get this here in Cincinnati. And when it was over, then I did another little video of how quickly it melted and what it looked like in the back, how it took a bunch of limbs and leaves and stuff down, and then how quickly it was gone from the front. So here goes. Wow, listen to that. Look at all the hailstones around the tree. That should be black. Wow. The neighbor's SUV's alarm went off, and look who else's alarm went off. The fellow's alarm went off. Wow. She isn't going anywhere. Let her out. Wow. This is unreal. Never saw this much here. This is Ohio. It's summertime. We're getting a lot of lightning and thunder. I don't understand why our gutters are backing up. I just hope we don't have a problem in the basement. Wow, this is creepy. See, it's melting really fast. Before the street was pretty covered. Actually, you can see the yard's already starting to melt. And it's not coming down as strong. Well, and see, still a lot of it around the tree. Okay, that's the end of the outside phenomena. If I don't get struck by lightning first. Okay, this is the aftermath from our little 15-minute storm we had before. This is in back of the house. You saw in the other video, the front yard was just all covered with white little balls of ice. And back here, as it was all coming down, it was taking stuff out of this tree with it. And water was literally gushing out of this downspout here. It was just overflowing like crazy because I guess all the little balls of ice just plugged up the drains and everything. It's kind of a mess, but it doesn't look like any serious damage got done. Maybe to a couple of cars. A couple of car alarms went off, but nothing spectacular. Most people turned them off, like Gisela turned hers off with a remote from the porch, so she didn't have to run out in the storm. Then they went back on again, and they turned them off again. Then our motion sensor lights went on a couple times, and it was kind of exciting, but now it's over. So this is the back, and the front looks. See how nice the grass is. That's pretty much what the front looks like. But before it was covered with white ice. So this is cool. Had a good time. Bye bye. Okay, here's the aftermath. Just a few minutes later in the front. Remember how there was all the ice around that tree? It's already melted, already gone. But our tree took a little beating. Look at all the leaves and sticks and stuff that came out of there. The yard, the street, the sidewalks were just full of ice. And Mary, our next door neighbor, looks like a lot of leaves came down from her maple tree. We had a big puddle of water standing right here in the corner that the downspout couldn't handle, I guess. And it's already soaked into the ground and gone away. Giselle's car's got some grass and stuff on it. Let's see if I can zoom over there. Yep, she's going to want to go to the car wash. And all she has to do is just drive it to work in the morning. That'll just blow off of it. See, I don't see any damage. And that's from here, and I'm too lazy to walk over there. So, I don't see anyone out. My neighbor that has a motorcycle over there, they put that in the garage, and now they already have it back out. So, things are back to normal here pretty quick. It was just a little temporary excitement for about maybe 5 minutes, with a lot of lightning and a lot of thunder and lightning. But we're lucky that there's no damage. Sayonara.